A beautiful calm ambience, and suddenly you hear the iron heartbeat of a wooden giant. If you watched my last video, you know this place is all about stepping back in time. But this part, this is where you live it. Because now, it's time for the tram ride. Crich Tramway Village isn't just a village, it's a living museum, home to over 60 trams built between 1873 to 1982. And all of this is set inside a recreated town, with a working pub, a cafe, a sweet shop, printing press, and of course, a tram depot. So we head towards the tram stop for our ride.
Time to get on one of those trams. This one.
We're gonna go upstairs, right?
If we can, upstairs.
Yes. The driver gets the tram ready and we head to the upper deck. Because if you're doing it, you must do it with a view.
How can people sit here?
Like this?
Look at how we're sitting, it's so small.
And just like that, the ride begins. With every meter covered, the joy only grows. As the tram moves through the village, you pass by different trams on the route. Each one from a different time, a different story. And slowly you realize you're not just watching history, you are living it. It's one of those rare experiences that genuinely makes you feel like you've been teleported to another era.
Do it again. That is actually the smartest thing ever.
Glory mine. That's going to be the glory mine.
Okay.
Yeah, but we are going to come back to the walk. Wait. The ride gets a little hilly towards the end, and that's why you feel slightly wobbled. But that's part of the charm. It reminds you, this isn't modern transport. This is history, still in motion. And then you reach the last stop. The village slowly fades, and nature takes over. Had a lovely tram ride in this one. From here, you can walk into a peaceful hillside trail, a completely different side of this village. Now we take a walk in this woodland area.
Yes, let's go.
Yes, let's go. After the ride, you see wooden carved structures along the way. And every turn feels like a small surprise. For families, especially with kids, this place turns into a little adventure trail. This place isn't just about looking, it's about experiencing. Right now, due to electrical safety updates, the tram rides are temporarily not operational. A bit disappointing, yes, but also a reminder how much effort goes into preserving something this old, this beautiful, and that's exactly why this place is special.
making on his way to the town. What?
It's not just preserving machines, it's preserving memories and a whole era of life. A short walk later, you are back at the heart of the village. And honestly, there's no better way to end the experience than sitting at a cafe with a warm coffee, some classic British scones, and vintage trams quietly passing by in the background. So tell me, would you like to visit this place? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed discovering unique places like this, keep watching. See you in the next one.